First stop, Home Depot. I always start every project by replacing the locks. You never really know who still has a key, and this keeps the home secure from day one. Next, I went through and removed all the switch and outlet covers. They'll be replaced with clean white ones instead of the old almond color. I pulled all the door handles too. They'll get a sleek upgrade to match the new hardware. Then I took down all the dated gold fixtures and added temporary lights for now. Matte black ones are on deck and will give the home a fresh, modern look. Now this photo right here is exactly why I always remove the lights before painting. See that ring? Skip this step and you'll be touching up paint later, and that's one redo I don't have time for. After that, I tackled the upstairs. All the carpet and padding had to go. Let's just say I let gravity help with the transportation on this one. Then came the bathrooms. The toilet, way heavier than I expected. The wax ring, absolutely disgusting, and the smell, even worse. Next step was removing the P-trap from the vanity sink. Another not so glamorous job. The vanity top definitely made me break a sweat, and the peel and stick backsplash took off more drywall than I wanted. I broke down the vanity and discovered a pipe underneath that I'll have to figure out how to deal with later. Then moved to the primary bath to pull the toilet and flooring there too. Here's a quick look at the upstairs after all the demo. Clean slate, ready for the fun part, putting it all back together. In the next video, I'm diving into the numbers, what's been ordered, what's left, and whether I can actually pull this off in 20 days. The clock is ticking, and it's not slowing down.